Stop scrolling. Most people think luxury means a six-figure SUV that looks like a household appliance. They're wrong. True luxury isn't about how much space you take up, it's about how much soul you have. This is the 2026 Morris Minor 1000 Heritage Convertible. It's small, it's smiling, and it's about to embarrass every modern car on your block. Stick around, because we're going to show you a hidden 8K cockpit tucked inside a 1950s dash and a 160 horsepower electric heart that turns this humble legend into a silent predator. If you think you need a supercar to be the main character, you're not ready for what this Morris can do.
If you understand that the soul of a machine is found in the stories it tells, rather than the lap times it sets, you belong here. We're curating the rebirth of the world's most iconic silhouettes. Secure your seat in this journey. Hit that subscribe button right now and join the global vanguard of automotive storytelling. I'm hearting the best comments from the Day One crew. The face is finished in English Sage Metallic, a soft botanical green with a depth that makes modern paint look like a joke. We reimagined those iconic high-mounted headlamps with circular LED filaments that mimic the warm gaze of the 56 original, but with surgical clarity. Look at the slatted grille, hand-polished stainless steel with a backlit M badge that glows with a soft amber light. It doesn't just arrive, it warms up the room and clears the lane.
This silhouette is a masterclass in post-war optimism. Those rounded wings are the definition of iconic. We've hunkered it down slightly on bespoke 15-inch artillery wheels, finished in muted cream with mirror-polished hubcaps. A razor-sharp chrome molding runs the length of the beltline, and when that sandstone canvas top folds back, you're left with a pillarless profile that invites the whole world into the cabin. This isn't just a resto mod, it's a lifestyle takeover. Now here's the secret. Everyone sees a Morris Minor and thinks slow. They think neighborhood cruiser. But the original designer, Alec Isagonis, built this car with a torsion bar suspension that was decades ahead of its time. In about 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how we took that Formula One level geometry and paired it with a high torque motor. This car doesn't just drive, it dances. You won't believe how this humble legend handles a canyon road. At the rear, the badging is recessed into the trunk with jewelry-grade precision. Solid billet aluminum celebrating the Minor 1000 heritage. The cheese cutter taillights are now singular OLED units that glow like deep rubies. There's no exhaust because we don't need one. The rear valance is a seamless arc of chrome hiding a silent, high-performance drive unit. Standing still, the reflection of the sky on that rounded boot lid makes it look like a living sculpture. Step inside and your house is officially trash. We're talking conker tan leather, hand-stitched with cream thread. The dash is a fusion of body-colored steel and a hidden central 8K display that only reveals the vitals when the car breathes to life. The steering wheel is a 3-spoke masterpiece of ivory white resin and cold milled steel. Every toggle is weighted knurled brass. It's an interior that earns your undivided attention through absolute, undeniable charm. We've even hidden a wireless charging pad inside the vintage glove box. It's high-tech intelligence wrapped in a Savile Row suit. In 1956, the A-Series engine gave you 37 horsepower. It was honest, but it was a struggle. Today, we've evolved that soul into a 120-kilowatt rear-mounted electric motor, pushing 160 horsepower of instantaneous torque. In a car this light, that's a riot! It's hooked up to a silk drive transmission that makes urban agility feel like telepathic serenity. It's gone from a post-war utility to a ballistic boutique sanctuary that can hit 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. You want to own a piece of this joy? It's a $120,000 buy-in. We aren't mass producing these, we're only commissioning 50 units a year for the entire world. It's for the collector who knows that the best things come in small, perfectly engineered packages. We didn't rebuild the Morris Minor to compete with the future. We built it to remind the future that soul is the ultimate luxury. Humble soul meets architectural intelligence. So, is this the ultimate city car? Or is it too much cute with too much kick? Drop your city and your take in the comments. I'm replying to the best ones. And if you haven't hit that bell yet, you're missing the most unique builds on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.